Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I picked up some of the Rare Beauty lip oils and I'm gonna play with them today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into the video. When I saw that Selena was releasing some lip oils, I had to get my hands on them. I went to the Rare Beauty website and it sold out pretty fast. So I was only able to get my hands on, I think, 2 of the lip oils. And then I went over to Sephora and I was able to get my hands on 2 other lip oils. So we are going to be trying out 4 different shades from her new launch. I am going to be doing a small giveaway in today's video, so make sure you stay tuned so you can see what I'm giving away and how to enter. So the shades that I picked up, I got the shade Honesty, I got the shade Happy, Joy, and Delight. I think what I'm gonna do is kind of go from the lightest to the darkest. So these are the Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oils. And the first shade I'm gonna try is in the shade Joy. So the packaging is the same as her liquid blushes. Let's see if they have a scent. No scent whatsoever. So I'm gonna do a swatch here on my hand. This is one swatch. It has kind of like a coral tone to it. So let's apply. So this is what Joy looks like on my lips. So once I swatched it, I didn't think I was gonna like this shade, but now that it's on my lips, I like it. I feel like this would be a really nice everyday shade for me, especially in the summertime. It feels amazing on the lips. So again, this is the shade Joy. Oh, so I try to wipe this off with a cotton round and it does stain your hands. So there is gonna be some staining power here, which I love them even more now. So next we're gonna go in with the shade Happy. I believe that's the same shade as my liquid blush. Let me check. Yes. It's the same shade as the liquid blush that I have. This is the swatch of it. I'm gonna swatch the blush and we're gonna see if they look the same. So this is the lip tint and this is the blush, both in the shade Happy. They do look a lot alike, but the blush is a little bit more brighter pink than the lip oil. Let's apply the lip oil. So this is the shade Happy. I like this one too. I like Joy a little bit more. It has a pink tone to it, but it's not real bright. So I feel like this would be a perfect shade for the summertime. It has like a little bit of a minty feel to them. Even if you wipe off the lip oils, it still leaves a nice tint to them that I love. I think I'm gonna love this one the most. It's in the shade Honesty. Let's swatch it. This one is more of a nude shade. It has a little bit of like the brown in there. I think this is gonna be beautiful. Let's go for it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is what Honesty looks like. It is beautiful, you guys. Don't mind the application on my lips, but I really like this one. It's not as nude as I thought it was gonna be. It's kind of giving me a little bit of a brown undertone with a little bit of like red in there maybe, but I really like it. I feel like this shade you would be able to wear all year round. It's just a really nice everyday shade. So again, this is the shade Honesty. The last shade that I have here is Delight. Let's swatch it. I'm gonna swatch it down here. Oh, you know what? I'm doing such bad swatch jobs. Oh my. Okay, so this is not as purple as I thought it was going to be. It's more of a kind of a nude mixed with a little bit of pink maybe. Let's try it out. Okay, let's go in with the light. Oh! So this is a darker shade, but I love it. This I would definitely wear in the fall time. I think it would look beautiful. So this is in the shade Delight. So it does leave a little bit of a minty feel on your lips, like I said, but nothing too overpowering. I love the glossy look that they leave. But if you don't like that, like I said, I just wiped it off and it left a very nice tint on my lips, and it was also very pretty. So if you want more of a matte look, I would just leave them on your lips for a couple minutes and then wipe them off, and I believe you would have a really nice shade underneath. When I was on the website and I was picking up some shades, I decided that I would pick up 2 extra ones so then I could give them away to one lucky person. So the 2 shades that I'm going to be giving away, you're gonna get one in the shade Happy and the other one in the shade Honest. So you're gonna get the pinkier one and then the nude one. All you have to do to be entered in today's giveaway is make sure you are subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. I will be picking a winner in 1 week. So yeah, that's it. I hope everyone is having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!